Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online EVS class, and from Tuesday we have started with a new chapter, that is chapter number 10, Plant World. Now children, in this chapter we have studied on Tuesday we have studied about what are plants, and we have studied about what are trees and what are shrubs. Okay, so two things we have studied about trees and shrubs. So I hope you all have understood what are trees and what are shrubs, which I have explained you previously. Now today again in two videos, what you will be getting: in part 1 video I will be explaining you the whole chapter, and then after that in part 2 video we will be doing our book exercise. Okay, so I hope you all are ready, and I hope you all have understood the previous work which I have done, and I hope that you have done the previous work which I have given you on Tuesday. In the second video I have explained you about the new words which I gave you to write in your notebooks. So I hope you have done that. Those who have not done, please make sure first of all you will write down the new words as the first exercise, and then only you will start other exercises. Okay, so let's get started. So for that you have to take out your Enjoying Environmental Studies book, that is book number 1 for class 1, and turn to page number 33. Now again I am repeating this page because I want you all to get thorough in this topic, because this is very easy and important topic about plants. Okay, so first of all, before starting with our new topic, we will revise what we have learnt on Tuesday, and then we will start with the new next topic. Okay, so let's get started. We have seen we see different kinds of plants around us. You all know that हमारे आसपास बहुत सारे different kinds के plants होते हैं. They are of different sizes, उनके size भी different होते हैं. Some plants are big while others are small. कुछ plants बहुत बड़े होते हैं, कुछ छोटे होते हैं, कुछ बहुत छोटे होते हैं. So one of them is trees. Trees is the example of big plants. Okay, so big and strong plants are called trees. जो सबसे बड़े और strong plants होते हैं उनको हम trees बोलते हैं. And the examples of trees are banyan tree, mango tree, neem tree and coconut tree. Okay, and then coming to the next topic, that is shrubs. So I have explained you this also on Tuesday, that small plants are known as shrubs, and shrubs always have hard and woody stems. उनकी hard और woody stems होती हैं. They are called shrubs, and the examples of shrubs are rose, tulsi and henna, which is also known as mehndi, are the examples of shrubs. So children, I hope you all have understood this much part. Now turn the page to page number 34, and now here we will study about herbs. What are herbs? Some small plants have soft and green stems. Shrubs की stems कैसी थी? Hard and woody stems. वहीं herbs की stems कैसी है? Soft and green stems. Because herbs are very small plants. जो सबसे छोटे small plants होते हैं उनको हम herbs बोलते हैं, और उनकी जो stem होती है वो green color की होती है और बहुत soft होती है. Easily उसको आप तोड़ भी सकते हो. They are called herbs. Wheat, mustard, sunflower and grass are herbs. Now wheat, गेहूँ, mustard, that is सरसों, sunflower and grass, all these four are examples of herbs. ये पेड़ ऐसे होते हैं जो बहुत छोटे होते हैं. ग्रास आपने देखा है बहुत छोटी होती है, उसकी स्टेम कैसी होती है? ग्रीन स्टेम होती है. And all these four are your examples of herbs. Is that clear? Wheat, mustard, sunflower and grass are examples of herbs. Now coming to the next part, I hope till herbs you have understood very clearly. First of all, trees are very big plants with they are very strong also. Then comes your shrubs, which are small plants having woody stem and hard stem. Now coming on herbs, herbs are also very small plants and they have soft and green stem. Okay, now coming to the next topic, that is very important topic, parts of a plant. Now children, in this book, in your book, parts of a plant is not given in a very elaborated manner. ये बहुत अच्छे से नहीं समझाया हुआ है यहाँ पे. So I will give you some extra exercises for parts of a plant so that you can understand what exactly this topic is. Now what are parts of a plant? As you can see in this picture, this is a picture of a plant. Okay, from root to upwards you can see there are different parts. Okay, सबसे पहले क्या है? रूट्स का काम क्या है? सॉइल के अंदर होती है, ग्राउंड के अंदर होती है रूट्स, और उनका काम है सॉइल को पकड़ के रखना, जिससे कि आपका जो भी प्लांट है वो अच्छे से स्टैंड कर सके और उसको अच्छे से ग्रोथ मिल सके. देन कम्स ब्रांचेस, देन फ्रूट, देन लीफ, देन बड. From this side you can see stem and flower. So all these are parts of plant. Okay children, parts of plant. So children, parts of a plant में क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं, क्या क्या parts हैं? First is flowers, then bud, then leaf, fruit, stem, branch and root. So these are different parts of a plant, and every part has its own different रोल टू प्ले फॉर प्लांट. ओके, इन सब डिफरेंट जो अलग अलग आपके पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट हैं, इन सब के अलग अलग रोल है, इनका सबका अलग अलग कुछ ना कुछ काम होता है. रूट का काम है प्लांट को, उसको एक प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन देना, सॉइल में से इम्पॉर्टेंट न्यूट्रिएंट्स लेके और पेड़ों तक पहुंचाना, ऊपर तक पहुंचाना. देन ब्रांच का काम है कि उसमें से स्टेम का काम है कि उसमें से ब्रांचेस निकलते हैं, और ब्रांचेस से ही लीफ निकलते हैं और फ्रूट्स निकलते हैं, फ्लावर्स और बड्स निकलते हैं. ठीक है, और उन सब में जो भी हम खाना पहुंचता है, बिकॉज प्लांट्स आर, एज यू ऑल नो, दैट दे आर लिविंग थिंग्स, दे ऑल्सो नीड फूड. ओके, सो सब डिफरेंट जो पार्ट्स हैं सबके डिफरेंट यूजेस हैं. ओके, सो फॉर द different uses I will be giving you one exercise in which I will explain you that what use is what all are the uses of different parts of a plant. Okay, so this exercise we will be doing afterwards. So I hope till now whatever I have explained you all have understood very nicely. So children, once again I am repeating what all you have learnt in this chapter. First of all, you have learnt that there are many different kinds of plants around us. Okay, and they are of different sizes. Some are big, some are small, and some are very small. So big plants are known as trees, and banyan, mango, neem and coconut are examples of trees, and trees are always strong plants. Okay, then comes shrubs. So shrubs are small plants and they have hard and woody stems, and rose, tulsi and henna are the examples of shrubs. Then in the last comes your herbs. So herbs are very small plants which have soft and green stem, and they are known as herbs, and the examples of herbs are wheat, mustard, sunflower grass and grass. Okay, so all these are your examples of herbs. So now children, next is parts of a plant. So trees, shrubs and herbs are plants. Just as we have different parts in our body, in the same way plants also have different parts. जैसे हमारी बॉडी के different parts होते हैं, like eyes, nose, ears, hands, fingers. Okay, ऐसे ही प्लांट के भी अलग अलग पार्ट्स होते हैं. जैसे हमारी बॉडी में पार्ट्स के अलग अलग काम होते हैं, लाइक हाथों से हम लिखते हैं, कोई चीज़ को पकड़ते हैं, और पैरों से हम रनिंग करते हैं, वॉकिंग करते हैं, साइकिलिंग करते हैं. वैसे ही प्लांट के जो अलग अलग पार्ट्स होते हैं उनका भी अलग अलग यूज़ होता है. इज दैट क्लियर? सो आई होप till here you all have understood the topic. And now children, after watching this video, please switch on to my part 2 video in which I will be giving you book exercise to complete. Okay, so after watching this video, first of all read both the pages of your chapter twice or thrice at home, and then switch on to my part 2 video. Bye bye children.